Hey there, and welcome to today's demo, where we look into how to manage your leads like a pro using Elvis CRM. Just a quick heads up though, we are talking about the admin perspective here. Alright, so once you've logged into the CRM with your username and password, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. Now, the dashboard has all the information you need at a glance. Have total inquiries, your total customers, and your latest follow-up, the total inquiry list. Most importantly, it has a graph with your leads by date. Now, if you head over to the sales module, you find the inquiry and follow-up list. Let's take a closer look at the inquiry list first. The inquiry list is where you can find all your leads. You can see that the pending follow-ups are highlighted in red so that they don't go out of your notice. You can filter your leads two ways, by the person who added the leads and the person to whom the leads are assigned to. Once you click on a specific lead, you obtain specific details, including the company data, the location, the inquiry type, the follow-up date, and the best time to contact them. You'll also find tabs for AC access to different features such as quotation, follow-up, confirm order, edit inquiry, delete inquiry, and upload. The follow-up tab will take you to the follow-up details of that particular lead, as well as show you all the previous follow-ups. Or you can go to the follow-up list to view all your past follow-ups, where you can see the follow-up date, follow-up status, any remarks, and if there is a next follow-up date, you can see that as well. Now, one of the main features of Elvis CRM is real-time notifications, allowing you to keep track of your leads and take action right away. Now, that's all for this demo. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found it helpful.